Well, thank you very much. Purpose, objective of our gathering. Like I said earlier, we now have set the ball rolling. We have established the foundation for the relationship that is about to start from today, or that has started that we are about to improve upon. But we need to know, we've been talking about partnership. We need to understand the concept of partnership. That's the contemporary concept of partnership. You know, there are business partnerships and all that. But when we're talking of partnership within the CSO realm, and especially when you're talking about partnership between CSO, media, and the government, we need to understand the technicalities involved and the process. So it's on that note that I want to invite those who have helped to set this, popularize this concept of partnership at a developmental point of view. That's the State Accountability and Voice Initiative Program of PFID. That is being led in Lagos State by Mr. Felix Obanobi. He's here with us and is going to take us through that process of partnership, because we must understand what partnership is all about, especially in the context of civil society, media, and government relationship. By the time we get that clearly, then we will now be able to know, how we can work together. We will still talk more about what disability issues and perspectives on disability. We will get to know more about that and how we can work together. But let's understand that concept of partnership. I'm sure Mr. Abadu is there.